Welcome to my channel, guys. Today we're going to make 12 volt DC rectifier, and this is regulated, guys. You need step down transformer. This is a 220 input and 12 volts output. We need a rectifier here, and we need electrolytic capacitor 25 volts 1000 UF, and regulator 7812. Let's begin, guys. Kick.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
Almost done, guys. Now this is my AC line and a 12 volts DC output. Now I'm installing the AC line, and here's my kilometer so we can measure the 12 volts DC output. And let's plug in to 220 volts AC and set your kilometer to DC, and let's read that. Okay, red to red and black to black for our test probes. And here we got 11.89, not bad. Now let's test it using 12 volts fan motor, and let's on. There is it, guys. It's working. Now you have an adapter. You can use any 12 volts here. So thank you for watching. God bless. Until next time.